Hi, everyone. Do you want to know what events are coming up? Well, stay tuned. There are events coming up. First, I'm going to go over other events that are not Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. These events that I'm going to mention don't have anything to do with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0, but they look like they're going to be a lot of fun, just like Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. They're a lot of fun because I'm in that group. Crafty Chef is in that group. Scarlett's Little Crafting Corner is in that group. Snuggie is in that group. Love My Family is in that group. Who else? All kinds of people are in that group. Diamonds and Stuff, True Vampire Crafts. Who else? Who else? The Diamond Design Company is in that group. I don't want to leave anybody out. So we got Diamonds Around You, Vivian. We've got the Crafty Witch UK. We have Diamonds and Things, Lois. Speaking of, okay, we've got an event for June. I have notes. I have notes. Okay. For June, we always have Vanna's Crafty Designs all year long. Vanna is doing villages, storefronts, the storefronts in the little villages. She is doing a different village store every month. So for May, she is doing flowers, sunflowers, a flower shop. Sounds good to me. And hold on. We have for July, because now is the time to get ready for June, not July. Well, you can get ready for July too, but June is Starlight Starbright 70. She's doing grannies. I don't know if that means people. I don't know if that means you can do something like with small children who maybe is doing a craft and you don't see the granny, but the granny's the one that got them the craft. There's a lot of little budget friendlies out there of grannies, and they're pretty funny looking too. They're like, I'm not making fun of them. I'm meaning when you look at them, it makes you chuckle. That's what I mean. So, I mean, I don't know what, make up a story about your grandma. Yeah, make up a story. Color a picture of your grandma's favorite bird. I mean, that'll work too. And we have for June, Book Nook Whip. She's doing a garden theme. Yeah, a garden theme. You can read a book that's garden theme. You can color, you can do a puzzle, you can sew, you can knit, you can cross stitch, whatever you want. But now's the time to start getting ready for June. And don't forget about Chris Colassa. He's doing his Pride/Rainbow event. What makes you happy? And I'm pretty sure the canvases have to be licensed and they have to have a rainbow in there somewhere. But if you want to make sure, go check out Chris Colossus because you're going to want to check his videos out anyway. He will give you all the information and you can join his group. Why not? And I believe Artemis Dreams is also joining Chris Colossus with the Pride event. So you might want to check Artemis out too. So we have for June, Diamonds by Tita. She's doing sunshine, sunflowers, anything with yellow in it. Anything with yellow. She's pretty much doing a yellow event. What else? So Book Nook, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this, but Book Nook's garden event in June, there will be a prize of an Amazon gift card for her event. And you can do any craft, which I've said. So I'm going to mention this one now. I don't have a whole lot of information on it. But if you go to Queen Bee's DP, she talks about a Rose Profit event. Now, this event, you need to do a 50 by 50. And it starts July 1st to August 31st. And they will give a code word and there will be prizes. So check out Queen Bee's DP for the Rose Profit event that starts July 1st. So go show her some love and she will give you all the details, especially as we get another week or so into this, because I think you have to get a canvas from Rose Profit. Not 100%, but it needs to at least be a 50 by 50 centimeters to be eligible for the event. So that is what I have for the extras. Now, for diamond painting with friends, I need a drink. Should I get out? I think I should, at least for June's, right? June with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. You guys thought you were going to get away with not hearing this. Okay. June, a trip to the beach. Who likes the beach? Not me. But that's another video. Diamonds and Things, Lois. Go check out her channel, Diamonds and Things. As it gets closer, I think she already had something up on Diamonds and Things. Just do a canvas that has to do with the beach. And for June, we have On the Farm. True Vampire Crafts with Mins. You need to go check her out. Anything on the farm. No start, no finish. You can even be a ranch. You can do a ranch. Not ranch dressing, but like a ranch, a house, a one level. Most of the houses you find in Florida where I live are all ranches. Yeah. What am I doing for June? Let me show you. No, don't fall down. You can fall down, but you cannot. I am doing this one for the farm. It's a partial, and I can't wait to do this one. For the beach, now I live in Florida. I do. You see these all over the place at the beach. So I'm doing jellyfish. Yes, I am. What are you going to work on? Coloring, knitting, diamond painting. What are you working on? So for July, because it's not too late to get ready for July, animals around the world. Yep, with diamonds around you. Vivian. That pretty much covers any animal. Any animal. Dreamer Design has a mini kit of animals. That's what I'm going to work on. Yes, because I'm going to use those minis to make cards out of. I sure am. Yep. And for July, we also have Oceans and Sea Life. Amy Sparkling Diamond Paints. Painting. Check out Amy. She's doing ocean and sea life. Anything. It probably has to have water in it or some kind of sea creature, like a koi fish or a shark or a dolphin. Who knows? A whale, a dolphin, jellyfish. Those are sea life. Coral. It can have coral. What else? A clownfish. The reef. It can have, a reef where you find the coral too, in a reef. It might a ship. It can have a ship or a boat or a sailboat or a cruise. Maybe you have a custom that you got of a cruise that you went on. Yeah. Maybe you could have a picture of a mermaid. That would work too. So for August, we're gonna do August landscapes with Crafty Chef Diamond landscapes. It's a picture of a beautiful scenery that your naked eye would see outside. A landscape. It can be a mountain. It can be the Aurora Borealis. I have one of those. It can be a view of a farm. It can just be beautiful mountain view, like freedom that I'm doing with the eagle. Hopefully I'll be done with that by August. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping I'll be done with it by then. But maybe not. And also for August, this you need to prepare for, because if you don't have one, you need to go get one if you're planning to participate. It's the Micathon 2026 with Jennifer Helm. Check her out. She makes tumblers, and she has an Etsy shop. She has a Facebook. You have to find her on her Facebook group and go to her Etsy shop and check out some of her stuff. But her event is Micathon. You have to do a Mica Jelena art to be eligible to participate for this with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. And these are all Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. The trip to the beach, on the farm, animals around the world, oceans and sea life, landscapes, Micathon 2026. Those are all Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. Yes. Check us out. We have a lot of fun over there. And that's what I have for right now. You guys, go check your stash. Don't walk, run. Yes, and check out these creators of these events that are coming up. Email them, comment in one of their videos, and let them know, hey, I'm planning on joining your event for June, July, and August. Let them know you're thinking about it. Start a conversation, because I'm sure other people have the same questions you do. All right, everybody. I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I want you all to be kind and enjoy diamond painting. Bye.